Good morning, this is Adam with Apple Drain, South Florida. We're here at a residence in Sunrise, helping some folks out who gave us a call. They had some water intrusion that was getting in on one side of their house from high rains, and water was getting under the footer and under the slab and actually infiltrating inside the house and damaging some of the lower drywall. So we're helping these folks install a full French drain system on that whole side of their house. And we're also managing their downspouts as well. We're setting up 4 drain lines to their downspouts, and we're bringing it on back to a little pond that they have out in back of their home. Come check it out. Beautiful day out here in Sunrise. We have this nice little pond behind this home here, and we're helping them manage some downspouts and some French drain. Here we have a couple different drain lines we have coming out here. We've got 2 downspouts from their gutters on this side of the home that we have going into that 4-inch corrugated drain line. And we also have this 1.5-inch PVC outflow line that we have tied in directly to a sump basin. These folks didn't want the downspouts being routed into the sump basin, which we understand, and so we have separate drain lines here in this setup. We have the downspout here. You can see this house was just recently stuccoed, and we also have this French drain system that we're finishing up here. So here we have a French drain and some rubberized coating that we've coated the lower foundation with. We're also testing our fall on our downspouts, and everything's working great. So we have some French drain that's wrapped around the whole house, the whole side. And then we're going to offer some double protection with these folks because they were really concerned about the water getting in on this side of the home. So again, we have a downspout here going to a 4-inch corrugated drain line. And along this run, we've tied in a few catch basins in unison to help collect some of that surface. Also, they can go in there and dig out anything that might happen to get in that drain line, any types of small debris and things like that. But this is going to give them 2 levels of protection. This is going to help collect a lot of that surface runoff and that surface water before it even gets underneath. And then we have the French drain to collect that subsurface water. And here we have a kind of a combination of a new school French drain and an old school. So we've got easy flow pipe, which is surrounded by a lot of gravel as well on top and on the sides. There's a lot of gravel around this pipe. And that also runs directly under this outside air conditioning. This is Adam with Apple Drain, South Florida. Just checking and testing the end of this run here. We've got our drain line, which is connected to some downspouts and some catch basins. And as you can see, everything's working great. We have good fall, and that water's draining out to the rear pond. So everything's looking great on this end. Here with another satisfied customer. We have a full French drain running the length of the front all the way to the back of this house that we help these folks with. Also, we did a drain pipe from their gutter downspout. Very happy. We installed some catch basins, got a little gravel bed around with some drainage fabric, some geotextile fabric as well. Another catch basin as well, surrounded by that drainage gravel. As you can see, we've got that full French drain. It's a combination of a new school and old school French drain. So that's an easy flow pipe surrounded by lots of gravel all around. Footer pipe, French drain for these folks that were getting water in the house. We also got that 3rd catch basin, again, tied in unison with that drain pipe. Here we have our sump basin and our sump pump. Again, another downspout.